In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush for competitor analysis. Semrush is a fantastic tool that can help you get ahead of your competitors by understanding what they're doing online. Whether you're familiar with digital marketing or are just diving into this world, these steps can guide you through the process of leveraging Semrush for insight into your competition's strategies. To begin, open your preferred browser and search for Semrush. Once you've navigated to the site, you'll either log in or sign up. If you're new to Semrush, signing up is straightforward and gives you access to a variety of tools that are invaluable for competitor analysis. Once you're logged in, head to the Organic Research tool. This is where you'll start uncovering golden nuggets about your competition. Enter your domain into the tool, then click on the Competitors tab. This section is particularly useful as it will list websites that are competing with you for the same keywords, based on common keywords in the top 20 Google organic search results. You can gain a lot of insight into who your real competitors are and see how they rank in comparison to your own site. Next, use the Domain Overview tool. This allows you to enter a competitor's domain to gather an overview of their online performance. What's great about this tool is that it provides a wealth of information at a glance, including their authority score, organic traffic, backlinks, and more. All of these data points are crucial for understanding the strengths and weaknesses of your competitors. After gathering an overview, move on to traffic analytics. Here, you can dive deeper into understanding how much traffic your competitors are getting, where it's coming from, and what their top traffic sources are. This can shed light on potential strategies you might incorporate into your own marketing plan. Comparing domains is next. The Domain versus Domain tool allows you to directly compare your website with your competitors across various metrics like traffic, backlinks, and keywords. It's an effective way to identify exactly where you stand and how you might improve your online presence. If you're keen on discovering your competitors' advertising strategies, the Advertising Research tool can be a big help. You can analyze their ad copies, keywords, and landing pages, gaining insights into successful tactics they may be employing in paid advertising. Don't forget about social media. The Social Media Tracker lets you monitor your competitors' presence, audience size, activity level, engagement rates, and top content pieces. It's a great way to see how your social presence measures up and learn which types of content are performing well for your competition. To keep a close eye on how your competitors are ranking for particular keywords, set up a position tracking campaign. This will allow you to track their keyword rankings over time and identify any shifts in their strategy, providing you with timely information to adjust your own tactics if necessary. Finally, it's important to conduct regular competitor analysis. Doing this every 3 to 6 months ensures you stay up to date with market trends and adjust your strategies effectively to maintain or gain a competitive edge. By following these steps, you can use Semrush to gain comprehensive insights into your competitors and refine your marketing strategies accordingly. Remember, staying informed and adaptive is crucial in the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing. Happy analyzing!